Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to set a camera timer on Google Pixel 10a. Let's have a look. For this video I am using Google Pixel 10a. First open camera app. Make sure you are in photo mode. Tap photo settings button on bottom left. Here you will see timer. To set a photo timer, choose either 3 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. When the timer is on, the chosen delay time will appear in the viewfinder. Tap the shutter button to take a time delay photo on Google Pixel 10a. On the top left corner of the screen, you will see the delay time. You can tap on it and you can change delay time to 5 seconds or 10 seconds, or you can turn it off. So these are the steps to set a camera timer on Google Pixel 10a. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.